Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. In this video, we'll discuss very important points. Many of the founding members, even general public, they wish to know about the data migration. So you will get the full details, full process. Also, we'll discuss about the time frame because many of the founding members of general public, they are curious when ONPASSIVE website and OES will resume. Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now my dear friend, in this video we'll discuss in detail what is data migration, ONPASSIVE data, why is data migration seen as difficult and risky, ONPASSIVE preparing for a massive data handling system, restructuring, types of data migration, and also the time frame. So now my dear friend, first thing first, what is data migration? Basically, data migration is the process of moving data from one location to another, one format to another, or one application to another. This is a basic thing. Generally, this is the result of introducing a new system or location for the data. Nowadays, these days, data migrations are often started as firms move from one premises infrastructure and application to cloud-based storage and applications to optimize or transform their company. Now, my dear friend, the ONPASSIVE data, ONPASSIVE is currently having a huge data and it needs restructuring, it needs bigger space and something like that, because so many applications are being added, lot of latest upgrades and things like that. So ONPASSIVE is having a massive data and it is growing day by day. So ONPASSIVE is preparing for the future. Even current whatever things are there, there are so many things are going on. So data, if you see, is the ONPASSIVE website itself. So website is having a huge amount of data, let's say many product details, blogs, things like that. ONPASSIVE ecosystem, it is a massive, okay, and so many things are integrated in ONPASSIVE ecosystem. Founders' data are stored when founders they have joined, when they have joined an ecosystem, things like that, name and even various things and various applications. OConnect is a application, OMail, OTrim, and there are various things and many things will be added. Okay, so founding members' data, customer data, all are stored. Okay, and this is to be migrated with 100% accuracy. And my wallet, this important thing about the subscription, commission and pay and payout. Okay, all the details, and it's the whole system upon passive system and the total integration, things like that. Okay. So my dear friend, it is very important that the data, it should be migrated with 100% accuracy and it will be rearranged, so there will be enough space for future and things like that. Even the current scenario, lot of data are generated. Okay. Now my dear friend, why is data migration seen as difficult and risky? The short answer is data gravity. Data gravity, this term, just keep it in mind. This is very complex subject. Okay, we will not go into nitty gritty of that. We will come to know the basic things. See, although the concept of data gravity has seen around for some time, the nowadays challenge is becoming more significant because of data migrations to cloud infrastructure. In brief, data gravity is a metaphor that describes how data attracts other data to it as it grows. Okay, When the things grows, no, it attracts many data, and that should be systematically done. Okay, how data is integrated into business? OnPassive is a business platform. It is a use business platform. You know, OnPassive is a SaaS system, software as a service, and various things, various ecosystem products are being integrated, even pay in, payout, everything. Okay, so as a total business, so how data becomes customized over time? So yeah, data should be customized, you know. So these are the things. So taking into the current scenario and future, keeping in mind, OnPassive has taken a right move in data migration with current scenario and keeping future in mind. You know, this is very important. By making time at the beginning of the project to sort out data and application complexities, firms can improve their data management, enable application mobility, and improve data governance. This is a very, very important point, my dear friend. So OnPassive has taken the right move at the right time, and the complexity of data migration, you know, it is a very complex process, and the team is working. So OnPassive is preparing for a major restructuring and massive move towards various products in ecosystem which will generate massive data. My dear friend, now types of data migration. There are three main types. One is storage migration, second one is cloud migration, and third one is application migration. What is storage migration? The process of moving data of existing arrays into more modern ones that enable other systems to access it, offers significantly faster performance and more cost-effective scaling, while enabling expected data management features such as cloning, snapshots, and backup and digester recovery, my dear friend. Now, the cloud migration is the process of moving data, application, or other business elements from either an on-premises data center to a cloud, or from the cloud to another. In many cases, it also entails a storage migration. Now the another important one is the application migration. You know, OnPassive is having various applications, various products. This is a software, and you can call it application also. Okay, the process of moving an application program from one environment to another. It may include moving the entire application from an on-premises IT center to a cloud, moving between clouds, or simply moving the application's underlying data to a new form of the application hosted by a software provider. You know, OnPassive is having own data center and massive data center in very advanced stage. Now, my dear friend, how to plan a data migration? This is very important. Okay, and data migration involves three basic steps: extract data, transform data, and load data. My dear friend, OnPassive, see, most important thing is about the time frame. You know, it is a very complex subject. We have gone through the total process complexity. So now the main question, when website or OES will resume, when the total process will be completed, it will resume. Okay, it depends on the amount of data, complexity, and the process. So extracting data, transforming data, loading data, and my dear friend, most important thing, this should be with 100% accuracy migration process. So our OnPassive team, tech team, is working on this under the leadership of Honorable Mr. Ash Mufade. So stay tuned, you will get updated information and periodically you will come to know. That's all in this video. Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot for active watching. Thank you.